cabbage. It's been washed and sliced. I slice mine as I shave it. And I have onions, green pepper, red pepper, and carrots. And I'm going to prepare that, so stay tuned. Hey guys, we're getting ready to get this fried cabbage going on. We've got Hey guys, we're getting ready to get this fried cabbage on. I have my cabbage already. It's been cleaned and sliced. I shred my cabbage. I have onions, green pepper, red pepper, carrots, and all of my seasonings. And there are here in this bowl. All the measurements will be in the description box. So let's get started. I'm going to be cooking this in some bacon grease. Yes, bacon grease, to give it some good flavor. You know what I'm saying? You got to have that good flavor going on in your food. If you don't, it's going to be horrible. So we got to get it going on. So stay tuned. Okay, I have my chicken stock, and I'm just going to pour maybe about a cup and a half. And here's where I'm going to put my seasonings. So it'll be in the stock. And I may need more, but we'll see. I may not need any more liquid, but about a cup and a half is what I have in there now. And then we'll just put in our cabbage. And then when I stir that over, get all the veggies all through and get the cabbage on the bottom. Uh-oh, I got overboard carrot. Okay, and then you want to keep doing this until it's like thoroughly mixed. And then you can tell if you need any more liquid. I don't think I do. But if you like a lot of juice in yours, let's see. Let's see here. Can you see the juice in there? That's the juice that we have here. So I see a big piece of cabbage. I don't want that in there. And when I cut my cabbage, I core the cabbage out too. To take that big piece. This is another big piece. I have to see if I can break that up. Yeah. I don't like biting into big, hard pieces of cabbage. And my heat is on like a medium. And we get that going. And we'll see if we need to add any more seasonings, but we shouldn't need to. So, also I used half of a